archaeologists can find out these glamorous, wonderful stories, but also maybe the juicy, gory and somewhat tasteless side of archaeology and history. Toilets or cesspits, as they've been known back then, have been identified around the outside of Viking houses all throughout Dublin. Over 200 Viking houses were found in excavations of Dublin, and the cesspits, as I said, are usually outside of those sites. Where you don't find a signpost to a toilet, there are other little clues that pop up, and they're in the form of beetle shells. So the exoskeletons of beetles appear, and some beetles really love to eat poo. There's just no way around it. That's how they survive. And we know, even when we don't find the signpost, as it were, to toilets, they're right there, and they're going to tell us this is where the poo, this is where the toilets are, this is where my dinner is. The amazing part of that, grimacing as we might, is that people's feces really tell us huge amounts of detail. They can tell us the diet, the environment, what's been harvested, and how healthy people are. It also, there's other types of beetle that have even been eaten by people, and we know this. Other types of beetles, such as grain-eating beetles, have been found and travel through the digestive system and come out in people's poo. So again, it's not just giving us information about the people, but also the insects that lived in that time.